welcome to my channel. If it's the first time that you're joining me, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys will be captivated enough to join the Your Own Hope family. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Your support is always appreciated. So today we're starting off on old 4C hair that was flexi rotted and that has lost its pizzazz, you know. So we're going to come up with hairstyles because, you know, our hair is fabulous and we need to be rocking it every which way. So if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, especially this part. I am on a mission to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this 2020. So let's work together. Let's see how we can do this. Please tag friends, share the video with whoever you know, share the link, subscribe, and let's grow together, yo. Yeah, I think that's about it. Let's get started. Just check out the channel. Very many beautiful videos on my channel if you've not seen them yet. Don't deprive yourself. Have a look. Yeah, so this is 1 week worth of hair. So what I did is I took out the flexi rods and I left my hair to just evolve into this. Okay, so this is what we're starting off with. I'm going to do a freestyle hairstyle. In other words, I have not planned anything. I don't have any ideas in my mind just yet. What I have is my hair, bobby pins, loads of bobby pins. Okay, I'm gonna grab some hair ties as well, just in case. Style number 1. And purely just okay, so that's style number 1. Style number 2.
Around the door, then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door, then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door, then you have magic. One comes around.
And that's it. So I'm going to show you guys the bun at the back. So let this be style 2.
Then you have magic.
If you're also like me, you might be an accessories person. So you could easily add, I could easily add my flower crown. Not even I'm going to add it. One of the days next week I'm definitely going to add my flower crown. So you can add this, it adds a little bit extra glamour to it. whatever kind of accessories you have. I think this makes it very cute. You could have a bow. I have my bow. Put it down there. Good to go. You could use one of these. What do they call this? What is this thing called now again? A head wrap. So, obviously, you style it as your styling capabilities allow. So you could tie this any which way. Do whatever you want. Obviously, this is just small. Like, guys, so you do it like that. And you're good to go. Like, that's already 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to wear an old hairstyle and make it work for you. So yeah. Which of these looks would you rock? Would you leave it loose? Would you put it in a bun? Are you an accessories kind of person like I am? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you got to this section, comment butterfly in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that we're getting to 5,000 this year, please. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below any videos or that you would like to see on this channel this year. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.